thought that getting into the middle of January, you'd be washing your car in the middle of the driveway, in the middle of winter. Well, it's been one of those winters, but it's about to change at least over the next couple days. Canal side, NT right now, and a little dampish up in that direction in North Tonawanda. We've had rain coming down across most of the area overnight. Seeing a little break in the action down here, eastern Wyoming County, Allegheny County, but for the most part, fairly widespread coverage. Looks like the rainfall intensity is picking up now. The northern tier counties of PA down here around Bradford, that's drifting northward. So there may be a few locally heavier downpours. This should start to break up, though, getting into the afternoon. It won't be quite as widespread. Coming up to almost half an inch of rainfall so far at the Buffalo Airport since it started, about 3/10 of an inch up there at the Falls, and also down at Wellsville, and a little over 3/10 coming up at 4/10 down at Bradford, PA. As we take a look at the forecast for today, well, it's going to be a damp morning commute, no doubt about it. Bring along the rain gear. 38 degrees. Don't forget the kiddos, too. They're going to need it. 43 degrees here at noontime. 39 at 5 p.m. with that rain becoming more spotty in nature, getting into the midday and afternoon hours. Super microcast for today. We have that widespread rain coming down across the area, becoming patchy in nature during the midday, afternoon, maybe some patches of drizzle out there as well. The rain showers are back again this evening, and watch the transition here now. The green is rain, pink a mix, blue is snow, and by tomorrow morning, that's what we're looking at across the area. Fairly widespread snow coming down across the region, along with blowing snow as the winds really start to increase later tonight and getting into the morning hours tomorrow. Now, during the day, it eventually becomes cold enough for some lake effect snow to develop within this widespread area of snow, and it looks like if it starts out early enough, it could start out close to the metro, but for the most part, it looks like it's going to be drifting southward down toward the ski country into the southern tier later in the afternoon, getting into the evening hours. This is the area that has the greatest potential for the greatest accumulation out of this particular event. Snowfall amounts shouldn't be overwhelming, but it's going to be tough to measure with that blowing snow. Still some lingering snow showers on Saturday. High temps, the computer is only calling for upper 30s here in the north towns, Tonawanda, Amherst, and Clarence, and Cheektowaga, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do a little better than that. Probably some low 40s. Down across the southern tier, you might be a little bit more likely to top off in the upper 30s at Wellsville, Olean back to the west at Jamestown, Amberg Orchard Park, West Seneca, about 40 degrees this afternoon. And on the roadways, we've got the rain blanketing all of the area for the most part. Highways north and south, QEW, Batavia and Rochester, Thruway West, and the Southern Tier Expressway. A little bit less of that rain in Allegheny County right now, though. 38 at Buffalo and Niagara Falls. We have a 36 down at Jamestown, 35 at Bradford. Wellsville, you're starting the day with 36 degrees down there in Allegheny County. Here's your forecast. Steady rain today, becoming spotty. Cloudy skies, some patches of drizzle, high temps, low 40s for the overnight. Rain showers mixing with and changing to snow overnight, around an inch of accumulation, and some slick roads by morning. Winds increase 23 to 27. Very windy on Friday with snow, blowing snow. Lake effect snow develops, especially during the afternoon, shifting southward to ski country in the southern tier, about 2 to 5 inches, but locally more, and some heavier lake snows later in the day, 23 to 27. And then on Saturday, some more snow showers, mostly cloudy, low 20s. By Sunday, partial sun, some scattered snow showers, 22. We're back to partial sun on Monday and 35 degrees. Don't forget, you can join me on Facebook and follow me on Twitter today. Back to you, Vic.
Thank you, Mike.